Imágenes y sonidos de Uruguay por CNN en español.
This is a CNN Election 2000 special presentation.
Election Day, the day to choose a new president for a new century. At the start of the last century, democracy was staggered by assassination. But the system endured and matured through the Great War, the Great Depression, and more war, some of it hot and horrifying, and one of them cold and terrifying. Through a pivotal decade of redefinition and deep division at home and abroad, through executive scandal and the confusing contrast of tragedy and triumph, and into a final decade, both prosperous and notorious. Today, America is again forging its future by choosing the man to lead it into the 21st century. This is CNN's coverage of Election 2000.
Now, from the election desk, here are Judy Woodruff, Bernard Shaw, Jeff Greenfield, and Bill Schneider.